was supposed to be cool. We were gonna do a whole bunch of, legal burnouts in Mexico. Down through this nice road, a couple shots of the truck winding at hop speed. Well, the old 460 big block and its torque decided to, give us a good old truck stop. Blew the drive shaft right off of it. See, I built this shaft, so I was expecting the worst, but, I am pleasantly surprised. The parts that I built survived. The actual part, as you can see, the drive shaft's still in one part. The only part that we're missing is this rear two caps there, so I thought, maybe we're fortunate and somehow it slipped out, but no, come over here and I'll show you. So this right here is where the caps are supposed to be, and as you can see, it's actually the flange that failed out of all things. We were going to do a roadside repair on this, crank out a U-joint and all that stuff, but then I started looking and I found some debris that, I realized that we also had a chunk of center bearing on the ground, so then I was like, you know what, maybe I should look at the center bearing on this. Yeah, the center bearing is toast. Let me show you what's going on. So there's our center bearing. I think when the wheel hop started, this guy failed and slid back, and then that is what broke our caps. As you can see, it sheared our flange caps completely off. The U-joint's okay, but the flange caps are gone. This truck desperately needs track bars to keep the wheel hop under control. I know, we have some, but I wanted to lower it before I put them on, but our hands starting to become forced if we're gonna beat on it like we are. So yeah, a little bit different of a video. We're trying to make something cool. It still is cool, but it's a little bit more work for me. I hope you guys enjoyed this different video, and I will see you guys in the next one very, very soon. All right, see ya.